There are 5 reasons why we have difficulty controlling our calorie intake. Those are broken down into the following categories: lack of knowledge, stress, food tastes and monetary value, food manufacturing processes, and psychological factors.
Calories are energy potential, and if you don't burn it, it is usually stored in the form of complex carbohydrates or fat. Many of us have absolutely no idea the number of calories we take in per day, and this lack of knowledge often causes us to take in far more than we really need. For example, a pat of butter has about 100 calories. We easily add butter to food and often add hundreds of calories without significantly changing the taste. If we would reduce our daily caloric intake and increase physical activity, we would be likely to lose weight by year's end. Many of us cope with stress by eating, and it's important to recognize this and find a different, healthier way to cope with our stress, such as calling a friend. Stress also causes increased stomach acid, and many of us confuse the increased stomach acid discomfort with hunger pangs. Our busy lives also decrease the amount of time we have to prepare food, so fast food is routinely obtained. Fast foods are often high in calories, heavily processed, and contain trans fatty acids, hydrogenated corn oils, and high fructose corn syrup that are lower in nutritional value. Food is pleasurable, and we've grown accustomed to very sweet tastes that come from artificial sweeteners and high fructose corn syrup. These are also very cheap, and it's possible to get a lot of food inexpensively. Fortunately, you can train your taste buds to get accustomed to lower sweet desires in just a few weeks. Globally, we are seeing higher intakes of high-fat and high-sugar food selections. Our sugar consumption per capita has risen dramatically over the last few decades, but our bodies weren't designed to have large amounts of such highly processed foods as a primary source of calories. We replace and make new cells continuously. If you eat primarily high-processed foods, that is all your body has to make the new cells. Oftentimes, when we're depressed, lonely, fearful, or stressed, we cope by eating. If you are struggling with depression or anxiety, you should seek help. For example, from your physician, religious counselor, etc.